Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Look at me being consistent. Anyways, so today we won't be doing a makeup video or anything. Today I will be allowing you guys, not allowing, like I'm gonna give you guys a story time. Even just like saying story time and thinking of what I'm about to tell you is just making me die of laughter. Anyways, okay. Okay, so let's get started. So Nathanie is on these Tinder streets. You know, she also finna get a man. Like Techie's got that white man. I also want one. What you mean? I just want one. Anyways, so I'm just gonna be sipping on my tea. Guys. Anyways, so Nathanie's on Tinder. She finds this guy. He's very good looking. Can't even remember his name. Anyways, so I'm on these Tinder streets, swiping right, swiping left. So I had this guy. He was very good looking. Like we chatted properly on the app before we take it, you know, private. You know, do you wanna take it PVT? You know, mix at times you would know. Or do you wanna take it out of the group chat? Oh my gosh. Anyways, so then I gave him my WhatsApp number and I was just like, okay, let's chat. So we chatted. He was a very nice guy. He is still a nice guy. Goodness, he didn't die or anything, Nathanie. So we chat. He's a very nice guy. Then we decide, we're gonna meet up. So like, okay, cool. So obviously, like, I always make sure that I have, like, when I do go on a date, I make sure I have cash for if shit goes south. Ladies, you need to do this, please. Don't depend on the man, even though he says, I'ma pay for you. You don't know how his bank account is set up. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do this definitely after payday because I'm just like, I'm not gonna be stuck with no bill that I can't afford. So I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna do it after payday so that I know I have money, like, you know. So we go to this, I think we went to Irene Mall. Went to Irene Mall. He texts me and he's like, no, he might be late. Cause I think I was a bit late as well. But I was like, you know what, it's fine. It's whatever. That's when he tells me, he's like, yeah, no, I'm gonna be late because I'm walking. I was like, what? Yeah. So he lived in Centurion somewhere, I can't even remember. And he decided that, he doesn't have a car. And he decided that he was gonna walk to the place where we were going. And this was like, our date was for like 7 o'clock, like 7ish. And I was like, okay, I'm definitely going to eat because I'm like hungry. Like I didn't eat. Well, I didn't eat it's not like I didn't eat the whole day just for that. I'm like, no, I obviously had lunch and whatever. So I'm like, okay, start getting ready. He sends me the text. I'm like, okay, that's fine. So drive there, looking fucking to the nines. Like, look at this. Like, look at this beat. Wow, looking like an entire meal. Do you understand? And take selfies, you know, feeling myself. And then we meet at, I think we went to like Ocean Basket or some shit. I don't even remember. But I'm like, okay, cool. So we get there, and then nigga man is still not there. He's not there. Still not there, right? Still not there. So I'm like, okay, it's fine. I'm gonna wait. So I wait. He arrives. He texted me to say that he's like not too far away. So I was like, okay, cool. Remember, he's walking, nah? He's walking. So then I'm like, okay, cool. So he sees me. He expects me. I'm sitting down already in the restaurant, and he expects me to get up and go find him. I'm like, nah, dude, I'm inside. Come find me. So he finds me And then he tells me that he needs to go to the bank. So I was like, okay, that's fine. You can go to the bank, do whatever you want. So he goes to the bank and then he comes back. He's very lanky. Also, he comes in walking with a backpack. Almost scolly-like. Like, I'm sorry, it's just a thing. But I understand he was walking. He needed all the stuff. And obviously he can't fit in his pockets. Like, what do you mean? So he had a backpack. I sound like such a judgy person. And I was giving him a chance. I was giving him a chance, right? And also on top of that, he told me that he was unemployed, right? So it's like, you know what? People go through tough times. It's okay. Like, it's fine. So he goes to the bank. He comes back. We're still chilling, sitting. I order wine because I'm like, I definitely need wine because I'm not going to like just chill there like droog back. Nah. So then I order wine. I drink. He arrives back. I'm like, okay, cool. Start talking. Where are you from? What do you do? Well, he asked me what I do. Explained it again, all that stuff. And then he tells me, you look like a great person to do drugs with. And I was just like, what? Did this guy really just say that? And then he's like, but do you do drugs? And I'm like, no, I don't. It's like, not even like weed. I'm like, no, I don't. He's like, you know what? We should do shrooms together. We should do shrooms together. I was like, nah, I'm good. I'm really good. He's like, no, we should really do it. Like, he was starting to get like excited about the shrooms in his head that we were going to do together. And I was just like, no. Because I told him, like, when I do smoke weed, like once every 12 years. I'm only 24 now. Okay, once in a moon. Like, I get sad. Like, I'm not bubbly. This is not her. She a different person. So, and then he's like getting excited and I'm like, no. And that was already like nah fam, like a cross. You're done. You've been denied. So then, carry on with the date. People, the waiter comes and the waitress comes and I order food. Because I was like, I'm definitely going to eat. He's like, no, he's not that hungry. He's not going to eat. So it's like, okay, but I'm going to eat. I don't care. So I was like, okay, I order my food. He orders a beer and whatever. And then carry on chatting. And then, okay, fast forward to the end of the meal. He's like, he asked if I want to have dessert and I was like, no, thank you, I'm fine. So, or to have another drink. And I was just like, no. Like, to that point, I was already done. Like, my mind was already at home in my pajamas in this bed. I was there already. And I was like, no, like, I actually have somewhere else to go. This was like, it actually ended so early. I think I left at like 8:30, like 8:15, 8:30. So then he's like, no, just stay for like one more drink. I'm like, no, like I really need to go. Like, I have friends that I'm gonna go see after this, blah 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 blah. Then he's like, he pulls up and says another drink to me, saying another drink, and I'm just like, I make up a different excuse, right? And he's like, why are you going so late? Like, why are you leaving so early? And I was like, you know what? I have like family things tomorrow. I had nothing tomorrow, but you know, I'm sorry. I just had to go. Like, what the hell? Anyways, so the bill comes. I asked the lady for the bill. And then I asked the lady for the bill, and then he takes out his money to pay. And then he pays for his beer. He gives me the money for the beer and I pay for the whole bill. Yes. Okay, this has never happened to me, like, ever. But now I'm doing it like more consciously, and I'm just like, you know what, even though I do take precaution and I do make sure that I have money on any date, I was actually shook to my core And I understand, like, please put a comment down below if you were gonna do that, because the thing is, you didn't eat, so why must you pay for someone's meal? I totally understand that. But I was just, it was new to me, so I was just like, okay, I guess I'm gonna just pay. So I paid, and then we left like the restaurant. And I was like, I'm gonna go now. And he's telling me like, no, just chill like for like another hour. And I'm just like, no. And I made up another excuse, like different to the first excuse. So he still didn't catch on that it was like a no. Anyways, and then I think he was staying there because his battery was low or something like that. I can't remember. But anyways, that was a date. And yeah, so that was like the first date, and like really the last date as well. And also he came there, he had like this raggedy shirt and like pants that were just so worn out, not like Yeezy worn out, just like worn out, like you've worn it too many times. And then imagine a raggedy shirt, right, the worn out pants, I can't even remember his shoes because I just didn't remember, and then he had a backpack. Like he looked like probably like people would be scared if he had to walk past them. I know that sounds so rude, I am so sorry. I wish him luck whatever he's doing. But anyways, that is the story time that I have for you. I hope you enjoy it. Oh gosh, this is literally, it was really the funniest thing ever. And I still laugh to this day. If you would like, this is the Nathanie's Dating Chronicles. I should probably put that as the title. That would be so funny. Okay, I'm gonna definitely do that. I have nothing else to say, but thank you so much for watching my story time, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time.